Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own tomato sauce at home without any harmful chemicals. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Here I have taken 500 grams of ripe tomatoes. Remove this part and cut them into long pieces. Transfer into a pan, along with a small piece of onion, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and half a teaspoon of salt. Give a good mix. Cover and cook it in low flame for 15 minutes. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. After 15 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes are well cooked. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once it's cooled, transfer it into a blender jar and blend till you get a smooth paste. Now strain it into a pan. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add 2 teaspoons if you want your sauce to be a bit spicier. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. Now cook it in low flame for 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. Keep stirring occasionally. Then add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can use lime juice if you don't have vinegar. Now you can see that the sauce is quite thick. Turn off the stove. Let it cool down, then transfer it into a dry and clean container. From 500 grams of tomatoes, you can get around half a cup of sauce. You can store this in the fridge for a few weeks. This can be used on pastas, pizzas, and even to dip your chips. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes. Don't forget to check other recipes by Cooking Craves.